Uba Vincent Pala ubalong UMP bat Presiden ke MPCC haba kranchi kilat pathai kubon minta kasi ka khat tarik unaitung ulayatho bu ulatho Syau Menteri Rang Badu kari India baca ka Law Commission bakin pelat ya ka Jilla Meghalaya na ka jing pentrekam ya ka UCC namar bakani ka Jilla ka dai baka 6 schedule ka trekam but ula ongru India is great because of diversity not because of uniformity.
Law Commission na try ngala ai ki katu ki press kumjoro ngala Ukraine bat ki balang ba per kum ka synod kila tho cha ka Law Commission nalian ka bakal balang Catholic nalian ki association ki per kila tho cha ka Law Commissions ngila ai ka view cha ka Law Commission but hakajo ko por ungaro ngala tho cha Prime Minister direct ban exempt ya ka ne ka state jangi kamtam ki badon ko ka 6 saru ta ka UCC namar ka di ka code jonglo ngin vote u Muslim u Hindu u Kristen te ngin ka kod ham khamtam kum hakabaya tho kaya tho akor kom jongno akor kom Hindu ne kom Kristen ne akor kom jong ki Muslim ne ka kod hane par kahiar pating hanu kor kom ni kasi kahiar pating barbar ki kun khato ma ki kanthei katba ki Hindu pat kahiar pating ado kun nong kom te ngin bot ko kod jong Hindu ne ka bot ki kod jong kasi ni ki tribal barbar ngi don la ka jong ka culture la ka jong ka practice la ka jong ka system katba ki wei ki don la ka jong ka system so kedon ki benta ki ban ya perkhat pa de kam tam ka liam ka songkha songman ka riti dustur bat hakor kom ka hiar pating kini ki ba perkhat pa tengah iba BJP ukwa ba kawai kari kawai kaniam kawai kaktien bat kum ta terter ring natra India we always agree to disagree in India ni barbor ni flourish namar ba of a diversity ni seutnat ban ya discuss ni seutnat ha jo poro ban seutu ekiwai so India is being great because of diversity is not because of uniformity. Try one thing is that the BJP is trying to convince, is trying to bulldoze, is trying to impose on others through its culture. That will not be possible. India will live, India will unite, India will be strong only through diversity, not through uniformity. Thank you.